great talents. 1.
Pablo Picasso was an artist. He was born on October the 25th, 1881, in Malaga, Spain. He was a very clever child. He could draw before he could walk when he was just 2 years old. His most famous painting is Guernica, painted in 1937.
2.
Marie Curie was a scientist. She was born on November the 7th, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland. She was a very clever child. She could read when she was 4, and she could remember being just 3 months old. She's most famous for her work on radioactivity.
3.
John Lennon was a singer-songwriter. He was born on October the 9th, 1940, in Liverpool, England. He could play the banjo and the guitar when he was 11. He was a member of the Beatles, perhaps the world's most famous pop group. One of his most famous songs is Imagine.
4.
Serena Williams is a tennis player. She was born on September the 26th, 1981 in Michigan, America. She could play tennis when she was just 3. She often plays tennis with her sister Venus. Venus is also a talented tennis player.
The multi-millionaire Ben Way.
Ben Way is 37 years old and he runs a company called Rainmakers. Ben's a computer millionaire. However, he wasn't always so successful. As a child, he was dyslexic, so he didn't do well at school. He didn't read or write until he was 9, and his father gave him a computer. He wrote his first software program when he was 11. He didn't go to university because at 15 he started his own company. He first became a millionaire when he was just 17. He continued to be very successful until he was 21. He won a business award in 2000, but then in 2001 he lost it all. 1 year later he started Rainmakers, and now he's a millionaire again.
Noises in the night.
It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. Suddenly, I woke up. I heard noises downstairs. I got out of bed silently and went slowly downstairs. There was a light on in the living room. I listened carefully. I could hear 2 men talking very quietly. They said something about the police. Burglars, I thought. Immediately, I ran back upstairs and phoned the police. Obviously, I was very frightened. Fortunately, the police came quickly. They opened the front door and went into the living room. Then they came upstairs to see me. "It's all right now, sir," they explained calmly. "We turned off the television for you."